Hi guys, I am officially 18. Welcome to my birthday vlog. Even on my birthday, I actually am doing 75 hard. And so far all I've done is go to the gym, and as soon as I turned 18 at 12 in the morning, I picked up a lottery ticket for which I won absolutely nothing. I was hoping to make my money back, but... And then after I go on my walk, I'm gonna go to the mall with my boyfriend, go on a shopping spree, and pick up all my free birthday gifts. I just got back from my walk and I'm about to make my meal prep for lunch. I'm about to spend all of my grad money. I have a bunch of cash and a bunch of gift cards that I cannot wait to spend so that I can buy a new college wardrobe. I am also gonna get a piercing when I go to the mall because I got my firsts last summer for my birthday and I want to get my seconds. So wish me luck because I do have a fear of needles. I will see you at the mall. Hi guys, we just got to the mall and I'm gonna go get my piercing now. I'm gonna get right here. And then I'm gonna go shopping and I'll do a haul when I'm done. I'm eating my meal prep right now. We're in the food court. It also like low-key just hit me that I'm actually piercing my ears and that there's gonna be like a needle in my ear. But
hope that she doesn't pass out.
I almost did last time, but it's okay because I already paid for it, so I just have to power through.
For sure.
And then I get to go shopping. That's like my reward for getting my ears pierced. Just got my ears pierced. Here is my second piercing. It took literally like 5 minutes. I don't know, it wasn't that bad. I thought it would be worse, but I didn't pass out.
It took longer to wait.
Yeah, and now I get to go shopping. And this is what I've got so far. I went to Lulu. Yes. Well, okay, I'm done. At Kendra Scott, I got my birthday discount. I got a necklace for 50% off. At Sephora, I got my Makeup by Mario birthday gift. And also this Tower 28 spray because I wanted to use it after I go to the gym because I think it's good for sweat. And then I got these headbands from Garage because I lost mine. And I also got this really cute denim mini skirt from Garage.
Wait, dude, I saw this on TikTok. Wait, it's gonna spray. Oh my gosh.
I also got these really cute pink brandy shorts from PacSun, but I don't want to pull them out right now. I also went to Lulu. They gave me this big bag, but it's deceiving because I actually only got 2 sports bras. So first I got this cute little orange bra. So cute, so cute.
So cute.
I love this color. It's like so summer. I like the pastels. I also got this purple... Oh! I missed the bag. I also got this purple Align tank. It was literally the only... Like, I was already gonna get this color, and for some reason it was on sale. Like, there's actually nothing wrong with it, so I don't really know why it was on sale, because it's literally perfectly in my size, too. But it's so cute, because this color is so cute.
It's perfect on me, too. Can we share it?
Anyways, we're now at Starbucks, so that I can get my free drink. My drink was literally $12. I got a strawberry side refresher, no lemonade, because I am still doing 75 hard, kind of. And I also got it with 5 things of raspberry pearls. That was like $6 on its own, but it was completely free. I got a Trenta, too. But it's my birthday, so I'll give myself a pass.
Try this one, bro.
Mango.
The mango dragon fruit.
Oh, that's good. That one's
It was
good.
fire.
It is good.
I've never had it.
So that was the end of my haul. And we're gonna be heading to San Francisco soon to take pictures for my birthday Instagram post. Finally leaving the mall, and I changed my mind. So we're not going to San Francisco anymore because the traffic is insane because I still need to get ready. And it would take us 2 hours to get to San Francisco. And I don't want to do all that because I'd be driving. Yeah. So, and I would only want to go for pictures, so that we're going to another viewpoint for pictures. And then I'm gonna come home so that I can watch Love Island because today is the Casa Amor episode. So I need to be there. We got our Starbucks.
I got a mango dragon lemonade with 1 raspberry pearl.
So delicious. Anyways, we're heading home now so that I can finish my lunch and get ready for our pictures at the new viewpoint. The sunglasses are from my mom. This shirt is from PacSun. This skirt is from Garage. It's the one I literally just bought. And my heels are from Pretty Little Thing. Sun is good, so hopefully my pictures will come out good. I need to get an Instagram post out of this so that I can post for my 18th birthday. Hey guys. We just finished watching Love Island. Ooh. It was the Casa Amor episode, so very, very eventful. And now it is time for cake. This is my favorite cake. Chocolate ganache on the outside.
Wait, it's so small.
And chocolate chips on the outside. Chocolate is my favorite flavor for everything.
Of
So now we're gonna sing and then I think that's it. I would say I had a pretty successful 18th birthday. I'm really happy that I got my new piercing and I got to go on my shopping spree. I am now gonna get ready for bed and I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.